S12 drone operation tutorial. Open the box and take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light is always on when charging. Full charge automatically turns off. Remote control charging demo. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. Red light is always on when charging. Pre-flight preparation. Deploy the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a horizontal plane. Install the obstacle avoidance module. Press and hold to turn on the power supply of the drone. Insert the memory card. Turn on the switch of the remote control again. Remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. 1T to calibrate the gyroscope. Push up the left stick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. 1 button to take off. Up. Down. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Speed switch on 1 beat for low speed. 2 beats for medium speed. 3 beats for high speed. Press the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will do a 360-degree roll. Short press to turn on the obstacle avoidance mode. Turn on the headless mode. The drone will take the direction of the remote as the direction of backing up. Exit headless mode. Motorized camera adjustment. One touch landing. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Long press the photo, video button to view the saved photos and videos. Long press the return button to go back to the picture transmission. Screen replace the fan blade. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the fan blade to remove it. Pay attention to differentiate between the A and B markings. Install the corresponding fan blade on it. Connect the app. You need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding app. According to the system of your phone, connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after the download is completed. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying.